Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to connect BigQuery to Google Sheets automatically. BigQuery is Google's powerful and fully managed data warehouse, designed to handle massive amounts of data. By connecting it to Google Sheets, you can transfer data from BigQuery to a worksheet automatically. Here I'll show you how to use Sheetgo to connect BigQuery to Google Sheets. So let's get started. Click the link in the video description below to sign up for Sheetgo. This will take you to the Sheetgo web application where you can sign up using your Google, Dropbox, or Microsoft account. Click New Workflow and then click Create Connection. Give the workflow a name at the top of the screen. I'll call it BigQuery Integration. Now select your source. I'll choose BigQuery. First, you need to grant Sheetgo access to your BigQuery account. Click Grant Permission and follow all the steps. After giving Sheetgo permission to access your account, it's time to choose your project, dataset, and table. If you click Source Columns, you can see all the available columns from the table. Then you can write a SQL query to retrieve data from BigQuery. If you don't know how to use BigQuery SQL syntax, check out the links in the description. As you can see, Sheetgo has already suggested a query. I'll just limit it to 20 rows. Then I'll click Next Step. Here I'll select the destination. I'll choose Google Sheets. I can either select an existing file or let Sheetgo create a new file. I'll ask Sheetgo to create a new spreadsheet. I'll name the file and the tab. Then I'll click Finish and Save. Sheetgo has transferred data from BigQuery to Google Sheets automatically. Now you can transfer data from BigQuery and update your Google Sheets whenever you want by pressing Run. You can also set up automatic transfers if you click Automate. Click Run automatically and select how often you want to transfer your data. That's how you can connect BigQuery to Google Sheets automatically. Check out our other videos, subscribe to our channel, or visit sheetgo.com for more spreadsheet-based automation ideas. Thanks for watching and give us a thumbs up if you liked the video.